Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public buses in Canada. First, planning your trip is essential for a smooth journey. Use online tools or transit apps to find your route and schedule. Make sure to identify your departure and arrival bus stops. It's also a good idea to check for any service updates or detours before heading out. This preparation helps you avoid unexpected delays and ensures you get to your destination efficiently. Next, let's talk about paying your fare. Most Canadian transit systems offer reloadable cards, which are convenient for frequent travel. You can also buy single-use tickets at stations or authorized retailers. If you're paying with cash, remember to have the exact amount, as drivers typically do not provide change. Simply tap your transit card or insert your ticket into the fare box when you board the bus. Once your fare is sorted, it's time to board and ride. Wait patiently at the marked bus stop for your specific route. As your bus approaches, make eye contact with the driver or give a clear hand signal to indicate you wish to board. Once inside, find an available seat. If you need to stand, always hold onto a handrail for your safety, especially during sudden stops or turns. Finally, let's cover how to exit the bus. Pay attention to the stop announcements or keep an eye out for familiar landmarks as you approach your destination. When your stop is next, pull the yellow stop request cord or press the red button to signal the driver. When the bus comes to a complete stop, exit safely, typically through the rear doors if they are available, to allow new passengers to board more easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.